Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the JML low-sugar rice cooker. First, carefully unpack all components and wash the inner pot, steaming tray, and lid with warm, soapy water. Ensure everything is completely dry. Next, place the cooker on a stable, flat surface, allowing at least 6 inches of space around it for proper ventilation. Finally, plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet, and you are ready to begin cooking. Now let's cook some low-sugar rice. Begin by measuring your rice, for example, 2 cups. Rinse it well under cold water until the water runs clear. Place the rinsed rice into the inner pot, then add water up to the indicated low-sugar rice line, typically about 1.5 times the rice volume. Insert the steaming tray, close the lid, select the low-sugar rice function, and press start. Your cooker will do the rest. Beyond low-sugar rice, your JML cooker is quite versatile. It features functions for standard rice, delicious porridge, and even steaming. For steaming, simply place your vegetables or fish on the steaming tray, add water to the main pot, and select the steam function. The porridge setting is fantastic for a hearty breakfast, delivering creamy results. Always consult your user manual for specific water and ingredient ratios for each unique cooking mode. Proper cleaning and maintenance are key to keeping your JML rice cooker in top condition. Always unplug the unit and allow it to cool down completely before you begin cleaning. Wash the inner pot, steaming tray, and lid with warm, soapy water, then rinse and dry them thoroughly. For the exterior, simply wipe it with a damp cloth. Remember, never immerse the main body of the cooker in water. This simple routine ensures longevity and consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.